my name is Juan José Polania of the 804 grade, and today during that video I'm going to explain my glossary about all topics that we saw during that first term in the science class. First of all, I'm going to explain the materials that are used to build it. Between that material we can find the hot silicone, we can find the basalt stick and also the kebab stick. We can find also some clay, and we can find also wire. First of all, is that the principal word of that glossary are the body systems. The body system is a series of structures that are present around all the viral systems and all the living things that led to them to perform in a good way their different living things. It's present principally with the organs, tissue, and principally the systems. If you can see here, there is a hierarchical system. Here there are the locomotor system, the endocrine system, immune system, and the excretory system. That are the principal words that are present around all that summary. Here you can find that all of them have a series of ramifications. First of all, we are going to explain the locomotor system. The locomotor system is the system that led to get moved. Between them, we can find the cartilage, that the cartilage is a system, a so flexible element. Then we can find the skeleton, that led the stability. Now we can find the skeleton muscle, that is a muscle that is present in our bones. Now we can find the cardiac muscle that is present in our heart. The smooth muscle, that are large muscles that cover all of our organs. Now we have here the ligaments, that are elements that are present between our bones. Also, we can hide the bones, that are the structures that are inside the different muscles, and we can find the joints that are present between two or more bones, and also between cartilage or bones, and led to get moved. Now we have the endocrine system. The endocrine system, first of all, the endocrine system is the system that expels or secretes some hormones to produce different change or regulate that change in our body. First of all, we have the hormones. The hormones are so important because that kind of hormones are secreted for the different glands and produced in our body to have it in a good state. Also, we have the glands. The glands are the element that expel or secrete that kind of hormones. Also, we have the negative and positive feedback. The positive and negative feedback, the negative feedback is present when you have a change in your body and your body acts to contrary it. But in the positive feedback is the contrary process. Have a change in your body and the brain increase or did more hard that process. Now we pass here with the immune system. In the immune system we can find the immune response. The immune response is so important because it can act between virus and bacteria. Also, we can hide the adaptive immune response that are analyzing some virus. Also, we can find the external barriers that are physical and chemical barriers that are present around our body and protect us. Also, we can find the tumors. The tumors are structures that produce different white blood cells. Also, we can find the splets. The splets regulate the liquids in our body. Also, we can find the tonsils. That the tonsil is so important because it has the capacity to protect of different infections. Also, we have find the white blood cells that protect us to different diseases. And also, we have the lymphocytes that are a kind of white blood cells and protect us to different diseases. Here we have the excretory system. In the excretory system, we can find the kidneys. There are so important organs to expel or waste. Also, we have the bladder, where accumulate all that urine. In the ureters and also the urethra are the conduits where it was present that urine to expel it. And finally, we have the nephron, that is the principal element that are made the kidneys and regulate and expel part of that weight, and also part of it transform it in so important elements to our body. If you can solve all that system that you present here, all that topics has a so important topic between them, that is the homeostasis. The homeostasis is a so important process and is made between when the body tries to regulate or to get stable of our viral functions and let to them to fix in a real good way. Between them you can find the head stroke. The head stroke is an unhealthy that is present when you have so high your corporal temperature. Also, is the frostbite and the hypothermia. The hypothermia is present that you have low your corporal temperature, and also the frostbite is present where you feel so cool and your finger, for example, will get full. Also, we have present the hydration, when you didn't have enough liquid in your body, but also is the hyponatremia, but it's present when you have a lot of liquid in your body or you drink a lot of water and you will get intoxication. And this is all my glossary about all topics that we saw in that first term in the science class. Thanks.